In 2025, some of the most shockingly reliable, accurate, and feature-packed pistols are hiding in plain sight, all under $300. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. We've dug deep to find the top 10 handguns that punch way above their price tag. Whether you're a first-time buyer, need a no-nonsense truck gun, or just want serious firepower on a tight budget. And number one? It's flying off shelves so fast, dealers can't keep it in stock. You won't believe what kind of firepower you can score for under $300, but you'll want to act fast before they're gone.
EAA Girsan MC9. The Girsan MC9 is a criminally underrated Turkish-made handgun that delivers everything you'd expect from a modern 9mm at a price that makes you look twice. Full-size frame, solid recoil control, optic ready slide, and a sleek design that gives it serious range appeal. It's got a tactile trigger, comfortable grip texture, and it eats every ammo you throw at it. Sure, it's not as famous as a Glock or SIG, but Girsan's quality control has been quietly leveling up, and this model is proof. It's the type of gun you buy for the price and end up bragging about at the range. Not only is the Girsan MC9 an affordable option for home defense, but it also provides great versatility for various shooting purposes. Whether you're hitting targets or practicing your self-defense skills, this gun performs above expectations. With modern features and a great reputation among gun enthusiasts, the EAA Girsan MC9 remains one of the best value guns in its class. It's priced around $289 in 2025, making it a worthy contender in the budget handgun category. But if you want something that's pure fun without blowing your budget, then number 9 is exactly what you need. 9. Taurus TX22. Don't sleep on the point 2. 2. The Taurus TX22 is hands down one of the most fun handguns under $300. And not just for beginners. It's full-size, lightweight, and comes with a ridiculous 16 plus 1 round capacity, all in .22 LR. Translation? Hours of practice with dirt-cheap ammo and zero recoil fatigue. Whether you're teaching a first-timer, running drills, or just plinking cans on a Saturday afternoon, the TX22 is a blast. And don't let the caliber fool you. This thing is accurate, smooth, and incredibly well balanced for its price. In a world where ammo prices are brutal, the TX22 is your secret weapon for high-volume shooting without burning cash. The ergonomics are top-notch, and its grip feels almost perfect for shooters of all sizes. It's a great choice for anyone looking to get into handgun shooting, especially if you're aiming to practice without breaking the bank. For those looking for a low-cost, high-reward training handgun, the Taurus TX22 is the answer. In 2025, the Taurus TX22 is priced at around $299, a steal considering the features and overall performance it offers. Now, if you're hunting for true budget survival, like sub $200, number 8 has entered the chat. 8. SCCY CPX-2 Gen 3. The SCCY CPX-2 Gen 3 is the underdog of this list. Let's be real. This thing isn't winning any beauty contests, and the trigger is about as long as a Monday morning. But here's the thing, it works. It's a no-nonsense American-made 9mm that comes in at under $200. That's insane. The Gen 3 updates brought better ergonomics, upgraded 3-dot sights, and a textured grip with finger grooves. It's small enough to carry, big enough to handle recoil, and comes with a lifetime warranty. No questions asked. As of 2025, it's priced between $180 to $195, depending on finish. This is your glove box gun, your just-in-case carry, your budget brawler. And in that role, it shines. But what if you want something even smaller? The kind of pistol you can drop in a pocket and forget about. That's where number 7 comes in. 7. Ruger LCP .380. The Ruger LCP is what you reach for when you need a gun that disappears. This ultra-compact .380 ACP pistol is smaller than most phones and lighter than a pack of gum, but don't let its size fool you. It still hits hard at close range. With a rugged glass-filled nylon frame, fixed sights, and a reliable internal hammer system, the LCP is tailor-made for deep concealment. The recoil is snappy, but it's reliable and incredibly discreet. And at $220 to $240 in 2025, it's one of the most affordable carry pistols on the market. Ruger has refined this platform over the years, and in 2025, it remains one of the best pocket guns you can buy. Okay, we've seen small, we've seen cheap. Now it's time for something classic. Old school cool meets modern reliability in number 6. 6. Rock Island 1911 GI Series. You didn't think a full-size 1911 could show up under $300, did you? Welcome to Rock Island. This is the GI Series, a no-frills, single-stack powerhouse in either .45A CP or 9mm, built like a tank and priced for the people. Heavy? Yes. But the weight soaks up recoil, and the trigger? Pure old-school crispness. It's a budget 1911 that actually feels like a 1911. Sure, it's not match grade, and you won't get front slide serrations or an optics cut. But what you do get is that iconic 1911 feel, dependable mechanics, and a platform that's endlessly customizable if you want to upgrade later. If you prefer a classic feel without paying the hefty price tag, this is your gun. Whether for home defense or range practice, it stands the test of time. For 2025, the Rock Island 1911 GI Series will run you around $299. Which is an absolute steal for a gun of this heritage. And that brings us to the halfway point. But believe me, the best is yet to come. If you've been thinking about adding a new piece to your collection without draining your bank account, this next pick might just be your new favorite full-size 9mm. 5. Ruger Security 9. Meet the Ruger Security 9, the definition of functional, affordable firepower. It's a full-size 9mm that flies under the radar, but don't let that fool you. This pistol is lightweight, hammer-fired, and designed to be both carry-friendly and home defense-ready. It's got a smooth, consistent trigger pull, solid ergonomics, and a no-nonsense reliability that's won over thousands of owners. The price is what grabs you, but the performance is what keeps you coming back. With a 15+1 round capacity and a rugged design, it's perfect for both first-time buyers and experienced shooters looking for a budget-friendly, reliable handgun. In 2025, the Ruger Security 9 sits comfortably at $289. Whether you're on the range or setting it up as your nightstand gun, the Security 9 handles business. It's not flashy, but it delivers every single time. But maybe you want something a little more tactical, a bit more refined, something that feels like a premium carry pistol, but still slides in under that magic $300 mark. Then get ready for number 4. 4. Beretta APX A1 Compact. Yes, Beretta, the name that gave us the legendary M9, also makes a budget-friendly modern polymer pistol, and the APX A1 Compact is a beast. Clean lines, deep slide serrations, amazing grip angle, and a crisp flat-face trigger make it feel like a gun that should cost twice as much. With modular internal chassis, red dot compatibility, and Beretta's proven engineering, it's built for both concealed carry and real-world performance. Usually priced over $350, you can often catch it on sale or bundled deals just under $300, especially in 2025. And what you get is insane value. Great ergonomics, fantastic recoil control, and a 17-round capacity. In 2025, the APX A1 Compact can be found for about $295, making it one of the best deals for a premium-like gun on a budget. Still not impressed? Then wait till you see number 3, because this one punches well above its weight in every category. 3. Taurus G3C. You want compact size, serious firepower, and a track record for getting it done? Say hello to the Taurus G3C. This isn't the same Taurus people used to joke about. the G3C changed the game. With its solid trigger, aggressive grip texture, upgraded steel sights, and rock-solid reliability, it competes with pistols that cost $150 more, and often outperforms them. The Taurus G3C is small enough to conceal easily, large enough to control recoil, and tough enough to handle daily carry abuse. The G3C is no longer just good for the price, it's just plain good. In 2025, it's priced at $229 to $250, depending on finish and availability. And in the under $300 category, the G3C is the gold standard for concealed carry. Now we're getting close to the top, and if you've been watching carefully, you know we've already dropped some heavy hitters. But the next one? It's one of the freshest releases on the market, and it's already shaking things up. 2. Springfield XD Mod 3. Newer doesn't always mean better, unless you're talking about the Springfield XD Mod 3. This is Springfield's latest evolution of their trusted XD series, and it's everything shooters asked for. Better grip texture, updated slide design, improved trigger, and solid capacity. It looks and feels like a modern duty pistol, but it's priced for budget-conscious buyers. The recoil is soft, the action is clean, and it shoots flat. Whether you're an experienced shooter or brand new to handguns, the Mod 3 gives you confidence right out of the box. Springfield's build quality is on full display here, and the fact that it sits under $300 is honestly wild. This handgun features upgraded sights, a comfortable ergonomic design, and a solid overall feel that ensures better control, whether you're shooting for accuracy or self-defense. In 2025, the Springfield XD Mod 3 is priced around $299, offering unbeatable value for a modern, reliable carry gun. For anyone looking for budget performance with the feel of a premium handgun, this is an easy recommendation. But even with all that said, there's still one that stands above the rest. 1. PSA Dagger Compact 9mm. At number 1, it's the PSA Dagger, and this gun is a total game changer. Palmetto State Armory took the Glock 19's legendary design and gave it a serious facelift. The Dagger is Glock compatible, insanely customizable, and built to run hard. But here's the kicker. It comes in at almost half the price. You get a rock-solid frame, aggressive grip, crisp trigger, and stainless slide that's often optic cut, all for under $300. The Dagger has been reviewed by many shooters and has consistently earned excellent marks for its reliability, accuracy, and build quality. It's designed to feel like a premium Glock without the premium price tag, and it holds up even in torture tests. What sets it apart is its customizability and compatibility with Glock parts, making it easy to personalize down the line. With thousands of rounds through it and little to no failure, the PSA Dagger Compact 9mm remains a standout in the budget handgun market. In 2025, the PSA Dagger is priced at $299, offering unbeatable value. You want reliability? You got it. You want style and options? Done. You want to upgrade later with Glock parts? No problem. In the world of budget handguns, the PSA Dagger isn't just at the top of the list. It is the list. In 2025, nothing comes close at this price point. So there you have it. The 10 best handguns under $300 that actually don't suck. From full-size beasts to pocket-sized backups, from modern polymer to all-metal classics, these guns prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to protect yourself, train hard, or enjoy your time at the range. If you're new to firearms, this list is your blueprint. If you're a seasoned shooter, maybe it gave you something to think about, or a new addition for your safe. Either way, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we're just getting started. More breakdowns, more rankings, and more real talk reviews are on the way. And if you've got a favorite budget gun that didn't make this list, drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.